Welcome back to another exciting update from Camp Nou. Today, we're taking you right into the heart of the action, where massive construction progress meets an electric matchday atmosphere. From rising structures to stunning new designs, this stadium is transforming faster than ever. Let's dive in and see how everything is coming together step by step. Now let's take a closer look at the construction side. We start from the Gol Sud area, where several structural cores are visible. These sections still need significant development, but the framework is clearly in place and moving forward step by step. As we move closer, the decorative lamas come into view. Once all of these are fully installed, this part of the stadium is going to look absolutely stunning. And at night, when these lamas are illuminated, the visual impact will be incredible. We can also see new supporting structures being prepared for the installation of additional lamas, showing that work here is actively progressing. Now we arrive at the tribune section, where the escalators are already installed. These will eventually lead directly to the future Barça Museum and the VIP areas of the stadium. This connection between fan experience and premium spaces is clearly part of a well-planned design. Next, we pass by the future café area. For now, there hasn't been much visible progress here, but the space is already defined. As we continue, we reach the future official FC Barcelona store. The structure is clearly visible now, giving a better idea of how this commercial zone will look once completed. We now arrive at our usual entrance, Gate 16. From here, the decorative lamas are clearly visible. And honestly, they're already looking beautiful even before full completion. As we step inside, the atmosphere starts to build. You can already feel the energy of matchday taking over the stadium. From our seats, we get a great view of the tribune area. The third prefabricated tier is now fully installed, marking a major milestone. At this stage, it feels like very little remains for the completion of the prefabricated seating sections in this part of the stadium. Back in the Gol Sud section, around a quarter of the area still needs additional prefabricated pieces to be installed. In another section, the third tier is almost complete, with only the upper part left to finish. The progress here is clearly in its final stages. Moving to the lateral side, the compression ring is already quite advanced. While more work is still needed, the structure is becoming more defined and closer to completion with each update. The most important phase still to come is the construction of the roof. The structure that will support it is already being assembled, with massive steel elements being lifted and installed into place. This framework will carry the entire roof system, making it one of the most complex parts of the project. Because of this, it's very likely that matches will continue to be played away from the stadium, most likely at Estadio Olympic Luis companies, until the roof is completed. The final design is expected to be similar to the structure seen in Inter Miami Freedom Park. Inside the stadium, progress is also very visible. Glass installations, access tunnels, and internal walkways are all taking shape. Over the past few days, clear progress has been made on these two structures, especially with the sandwich panels. A new panel has just been installed, and as expected, it requires 3 workers to handle due to its weight. Right now, they are carefully adjusting it into position. In the central Gol Norte section, crews are working on anchor installations. Some areas still lack anchors, while others are being secured and tightened. At the same time, workers are applying protective material to beams and preparing for welding tasks in certain zones. Near the corner, a crane is positioning a new beam while workers secure it from both sides using lifting platforms. This structure, planned for future elevators, has progressed quickly, with multiple beams installed in recent days. Work is also ongoing along the front of the first cantilever. Workers are installing supports that will later hold protective panels or barriers. And that's the latest update from Camp Nou. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected for more exciting updates. See you in the next one.